Along came a spider, and yes, he was by her. And yeah, he took a big bite. He swindled her ass, ate all of her money. I told her dude wasn't right. I saw the web he was making. I told my girl he was faking. She really thought I was hating, but her ass was mistaken. Whatever venom he had in his bite made my girl lose all of her sight. She couldn't see that he was cleaning her out, down to her link card. Yep, he took that route. Once he started sucking, I tapped her shoulder. Even was going in her pocket, that's why he was holding her. Yep, along came a spider, and man did she get stung. She ain't got shit now, she looking like a bum. That spider sprayed his web, then took off. Stuck in the web was a house. You know she looking lost. Now when she sees a spider, she runs and screams. And me, I just laugh at her ass. Yeah, I know that it is mean.